So it is St. Patrick's Day today, and we thought we'd have a little fun with our customers and break out the old prize wheel. I brought my little buddy Lucas to work today to help out because it's Friday. And every Friday is what, Lucas? Go to work with Dad Day. But what we do is we got these little black blocks and we just hide them in the bins. And as people are going through the stuff, they find them and they get to come up front and spin the wheel to see how much they won. But that's today. I'm super excited because this is the first day with the new store layout for Friday. I guess for any day really, but for Friday. But at the same time, I'm somewhat nervous about this week's sales because it is spring break week here in Arkansas. He asked if he could play with this green robot that I found in the bins a couple of weeks ago. I don't know. You know, his birthday's coming up. He's gonna be 5 years old, which is crazy. And we save things for birthdays throughout the years. We find stuff. It's so close. And he saw it because I'm not a very good hider. I meant to hide it, but then I forgot. My fault. And I said he could have it. You're talking about that? What is it, bud? What is it? You don't want to tell him what it is? It's a magnetic transformer type thing. It's got like a crane, bulldozer.
I know
all kinds of stuff.
I know what this one.
You know what that one is? What is it?
Excavator.
Yeah, that is. What's that one?
Crane.
Yeah.
Called crane.
What's that right there?
Cement truck.
A cement truck, that's right. And that right there, can you tell what that one is? I think that one's the bulldozer right there.
That one?
Yeah. Yeah.
No,
this one right here, that's the bulldozer right there.
Bulldozer.
Yeah. And then where's the truck at?
His body.
Oh, that's cool.
And
anyways, I told him he could have it, so he was super excited.
Time to hide the blocks. So I'm pretty sure for the past couple of days I've had what I thought was a migraine, but I don't think it is. I have a lot of similar symptoms, like sometimes it feels like my skin is like super tingly, but one thing I'm not getting that in the few times in my life, very few times in my life that I've had a legitimate migraine, a lot of light sensitivity and sound sensitivity, and I don't think I have that. So I don't know, it might just be like a really bad headache that has a lot of similar symptoms to migraines. So that's a new and interesting symptom. Yesterday, I got up, got ready to do some vlog editing, and then ended up not being able to look at the screen and falling asleep for like four or 5 hours. And I woke up and thought, in my dream, it was so funny. In my dream, I had a dream that Joe had come home and woken me up. And I was like, oh my gosh, what time is it? And I thought that I had slept the entire day and that I didn't pick up the kids and all of that stuff, and he was coming home at the end of the day. So I had a little moment of like, panic when I woke up. But turns out I was only asleep and it was all a dream. But yeah, that's a new and interesting symptom that I have, and I don't know if that's gonna be like a consistent symptom or just something that my body is doing while it's trying to What in the world? Look at this. What is he doing?
Well, I'm trying not to get up on a ladder on top of the thing like the last time. People were pretty nervous, evidently.
He's trying to move the extension cord for the testing station over. So I guess I can understand. I can understand the struggle. What did you make, bud?
Is what he does with this, and then. Da, 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 da.
So it is later in the day now, and it's been a great day, a good day, lots of sales today, which good. Traffic is down slightly from last Friday, but people are spending more per person than they usually do, and that could be because the way I widen the aisles. I saw lots of people who I mean, every buggy that we had was used. I broke out our extra stash of buggies for people to use. We had people who had like 2 and 3 shopping carts filled up with stuff today, and that hasn't happened in the past. And it could have been because of the space, but people were really enjoying the wide aisles. So the last video I talked about Whatnot. If you're not sure what Whatnot is, it is a selling platform, a live-based selling platform that people just go live and they sell stuff. And it's kind of like, I don't know, from what I've heard, you know, it's for some people like normal, I wouldn't say normal people. We do YouTube, so people have a social media influence. They have a lot easier time getting accepted by Whatnot, but people who don't have a following have a hard time getting accepted by Whatnot. But we approved, or we applied, and we are approved the next morning. I applied like at 10 o'clock at nighttime, and then 8 o'clock we were approved the next day. So I don't know if we're gonna use it or not, because I've heard some good things about it. Just you reach new audiences. I know that a lot of selling in the future is really, I don't know, it's kind of like the home shopping network. A lot of things are kind of going towards that in some ways. You know, the personalized selling experience is, I don't know, a lot of people like that. So it reaches a different demographic of people, but also a lot of you guys have asked to be able to buy a lot of bin items, a lot of stuff like that. We just haven't been able to figure out how to do it. And I don't know if Whatnot is the way to do it, because the con is the shipping. Like, it can get pretty pricey, which is bad for y'all, and it shouldn't be that much for you. It's like an item that may cost like $10 to ship. You get another item, then it makes it like $25 instead of like maybe $15 because of the increased thing. So I don't know if we're gonna be able to make it work or not. We do have an onboarding call next Friday, a week from today, to kind of walk through, figure it out. It'd be neat to be able to do. I think it'd be we've been wanting to do live selling, but it was just everything that I've seen. You've got to do, like, you know, send invoices to people, and then they got to pay for it. And I haven't really been interested in doing that, but this Whatnot, it is interesting and appealing to me to try out. So we're gonna at least look into it, try it out, see how it goes. If you've sold on Whatnot, you've bought on Whatnot, let us know down in the comments section what you think about it, what your experiences has been, just because I would like to hear testimonials about the different products and such. But that's what I'm gonna leave y'all today. We appreciate y'all so much. Until next time, peace.